how to add AAA Insurance card to Apple Wallet. You want to open up the App Store. Here we will just search for an application called Pass to You. So Pass to You Wallet, just like that. You need this app in order to add it. Pass to You Wallet, install this app and click on Open. Now here it's going to load up an app like this. You want to click on the plus sign in the bottom right and then apply a pass template. Here from the list, what we're going to do is use the search bar to search for AAA Insurance. Okay, so here it's going to load up two options. You can choose whichever one looks the most like yours. This one has been applied 38 times, so I'm just going to click on it. So once you click on it, here if you select next, you can change the information. Name is sure. Here you can type when you press on the pencil icon. You can also add a barcode at the bottom and vehicle, year, make, so on and so forth. So if you watch your information here, click on done. Then you want to click on add. And here, if I go into my Apple Wallet, as you can see, I have the AAA Insurance card in my Apple Wallet. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.